Hi friends, in today's video tutorial, we would study how to append data from multiple sheets into one Excel sheet using the Power Query feature of Microsoft Excel. So without any further ado, let me show you how you can do that. Here I have a file in which I have data for the months January, February, March, April, May and June. Let us first explore the data for the month of January. You can see that we have columns like customer name, the type of aquarium, that is whether it is fresh water or salt water, then the setting type, that is residence or a office or a restaurant or a gym or a school, and finally the size in gallons. Please make a note of the column headings customer, aquarium, setting and size. Now when we go to the month of February, you can see we have similar columns customer, type, setting and gallons. However, here if you notice the column number 2, the column heading is type, and in January the column heading is aquarium. So just keep that in mind that in the February sheet the column heading for column 2 is different. Let us check for March. The column headings are the same like January. Let us check for April. The column headings are the same like January. For May, the column headings are same, and for June also the column headings are same. So in this type of query, which is appending data from multiple sheets, the column headings can be different. So although the February column heading is different, still we can go ahead with this query and it will not create any issues. So let me show you how you can do that. So we'll first close this query, close this Excel sheet. Then we'll make a blank file. So I'll click on file and I'll select blank workbook. Then I'll click on data, get data and select from file, from Excel workbook. Now here I'll select my sheet in which all the 6 sheets are there and I'll click on import. Now over here you can see the 6 sheet names. I can either click over here and get all the sheets, or I can click over here, select multiple sheets and select only the sheets I want. In our example, I want all the sheets, so I'll click on this heading and then click on transform data. Now this will start the Power Query feature of Microsoft Excel. Now I'll select 2 columns, name, and I'll also select the second column data by keeping my control key pressed. Then I would right click and I would select remove other columns. Then I would click on this icon for data and I would select use original. I'd uncheck use original column name as prefix and click on OK. Now if you notice in the first row we have customer, aquarium, setting. I don't want that, so I'll click over here and uncheck customer and then click on OK. Now you can see that we are successful in our objective. We have got the data from January, February, March, April, May and June. So next we'll click on file and we'll select close and load, and this will export the data into the Excel sheet with all the 6 sheets data appended one below each other. So friends, hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.